For years, JBL has been a go-to name in the world of portable Bluetooth speakers, and the Flip 6 is no exception. With this sixth generation, the brand keeps refining a formula that's already well-loved by sticking to the solid foundations of the Flip 5 while making some significant upgrades. Compact, elegant, and robust, this speaker is designed to deliver an exceptional sound experience in an easy-to-carry format. Perfect for outdoor adventures, hangouts, or relaxing at home, it meets all your audio needs. Discover it now and be charmed by its performance. The JBL Flip 6 retains its iconic design with compact dimensions of 7.0 by 2.7 by 2.8 inches and a weight of 1.2 pounds, perfect for on-the-go. The JBL Flip 6 is compact and lightweight, ideal for travel. Its durable mesh and silicone ends protect against shocks. With IP67, it's dust-proof and waterproof, great for outdoors. Its mesh fabric isn't just for looks, it's also extremely tough against harsh conditions, while the silicone ends effectively absorb shocks, boosting its durability. With an IP67 rating, this speaker is completely dust-proof and can be submerged up to 1 meter for 30 minutes, making it perfect for poolside use or outdoor outings. A discreet rubber foot ensures its stability, even on uneven surfaces, and the reinforced strap makes it easy to carry or hang up conveniently. The strategically placed buttons are intuitive and easily accessible, providing a seamless user experience. Beneath its sleek design, the Flip 6 hides a reimagined acoustic architecture that ensures exceptional sound performance. It features an elongated speaker for the bass and mids, a tweeter specifically dedicated to the highs, and 2 passive radiators for deep, immersive bass. Its components are designed to work in harmony, delivering sound that's both powerful and balanced. This advanced setup is powered by separate amplifiers, ensuring exceptional accuracy across the entire frequency range, with crystal-clear highs and rich, enveloping bass. With Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity, the Flip 6 ensures a fast and stable connection, even in busy environments. Connect 2 devices simultaneously for easy playlist switching. JBL claims 12 hours of battery life, but tests show 9 to 11 hours, depending on volume and conditions like temperature. The JBL Portable app offers a customizable 3-band equalizer for personalized sound. This result also depends on the usage conditions, like temperature or simultaneous connectivity. The JBL Portable app enhances the user experience with an easily customizable 3-band equalizer, allowing you to tailor the sound to your preferences or the environment. Party Boost mode is a key feature that transforms a simple listening session into a true collective experience. By syncing multiple compatible speakers, you can create an immersive sound experience, whether it's for a party at home or an outdoor event. The robustness of this technology ensures lag-free synchronization, providing consistent sound quality across all the speakers. With its IP67 rating, the Flip 6 is not afraid of dust or water, making it perfect for use in demanding environments, whether you're spending a day at the beach, hiking, or enjoying an evening under the stars. It remains reliable and high-performing. The design of these passive radiators helps enhance durability, preventing damage from prolonged use at high volume. The versatility of the Flip 6 makes it an essential companion in any situation. Whether it's sitting on a table, clipped to a backpack, or hanging by the pool, it easily fits into your lifestyle. Its well-designed physical controls allow for intuitive and effective operation, even in tough conditions like darkness or when wearing gloves. Even though it doesn't have a microphone for calls or an auxiliary input for wired connections, its exceptional sound quality more than makes up for those shortcomings. The Party Boost mode adds a festive dimension by allowing you to connect multiple speakers for a shared and immersive sound experience. Its durability and waterproofing make it perfect for the toughest environments, from sandy beaches to damp forests, while also being great for home use. Compared to its predecessor, the Flip 5, the Flip 6 shows a clear improvement in sound clarity and richness thanks to its dedicated tweeter and increased power. This new version also provides better frequency management, ensuring a more balanced and immersive sound reproduction. It also outperforms many of its competitors in the same category, but has to contend with internal competition from JBL's Charge 5. While the latter offers an impressive 20 hours of battery life, the ability to charge other devices, and more powerful sound, the Flip 6 remains a lighter and more convenient choice for those who prioritize portability. Its excellent tonal balance, combined with its durability and compactness, makes it a perfect option for listeners looking for an all-terrain speaker without compromising on sound quality. With the Flip 6, JBL successfully improves on an already winning formula by offering outstanding sound quality and durability in a sleek, compact design. Whether you're at home, outdoors, or traveling, this speaker is designed to elevate your musical moments. Its smart design, acoustic performance, and advanced features make it a top choice in its category. So, if you're looking for a speaker that combines style, durability, and performance, the Flip 6 is the one for you. Find the link in the description to learn more. Don't forget to leave a comment to share your thoughts. Like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for being with us. See you soon. Bye-bye.